Amid rising tensions between Israel and Iran, one name is suddenly doing the rounds in global defense circles. Not a person, but a weapon. The GBU-57 Massive Ordnance Penetrator, or simply the MOP. It's a 30,000-pound bunker buster developed by Boeing for the US Air Force, and it's being talked about because it might be the only weapon capable of reaching Iran's heavily fortified nuclear sites, some of which are buried deep inside mountains. These facilities, places like Fordow and Natanz, are not just a few meters underground. They are hundreds of feet below the surface, shielded by reinforced concrete, steel, and layers of rock. They are built for one reason: to survive airstrikes. And so far they have. Israel, despite its advanced military, doesn't have a weapon that can breach these depths. Their most powerful bunker buster, the GBU-28, can penetrate about 30 feet of earth or 6 feet of concrete, whereas the MOP can go up to 200 feet deep. Yes, 200 feet deep. But here's the catch. Israel doesn't have the MOP. This weapon is exclusive to the US. It can only be launched from the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, a rare and a highly secretive aircraft that even close allies like Israel have never received. That means for Israel to use the MOP, they would need either direct American involvement in the mission or a special permission to receive the bomb, which is highly unlikely given its classifications. So why is the MOP in news now? Because on paper, it could solve Israel's biggest military problem, which is to attack nuclear program that's hidden under a mountain. The MOP is designed for a single brutal purpose: to destroy underground bunkers. It uses advanced GPS to hit with precision, and instead of exploding on impact, it buries itself deep and then detonates, ensuring the blast happens below ground, not above it. The bomb is about 20.5 feet long, carries a 5,300-pound high explosive warhead, and is encased in hardened steel body. Its casing alone weighs 25,000 pounds, made to withstand the pressure of smashing through rock at supersonic speeds. It doesn't rely on rocket boosters, just gravity, speed, and raw mass. The explosion is so powerful that it can collapse tunnels, destroy centrifuges, and make critical nuclear infrastructure unusable. Some tests suggest it creates an earthquake-like shock under the target site. But executing a MOP strike is not simple. It requires a B-2 bomber to fly high and deep while evading radar and launch the bomb at exact coordinates. Timing, altitude, weather, everything has to line up perfectly. And even then, some experts believe that one bomb may not be enough. Yes, one bomb may not be enough. Depending on the depth and structure of the facility, multiple strikes may be required to finish the job. Then there's the cost. Each MOP is estimated to cost around $10 to $15 million, and they are not produced in large numbers. Only a limited stock exists, and they are stored under high security conditions in the United States. The B-2 bomber that carries it, that aircraft alone costs over $2 billion per unit and is one of the most complex machines ever built. Now, let's talk the consequences. If the MOP is used on an Iranian facility, the military gain could be huge. It could delay Iran's nuclear program by years, but the political price could be even higher. Iran could retaliate through missile attacks or proxy groups like Hezbollah, and the conflict could quickly spill over into a broader regional war. There's also the risk of environment fallout. While most nuclear sites don't contain warheads, damaging an enrichment plant could still release dangerous materials into nearby areas. And let's not forget For all its testing, the MOP has never been used in real combat. So even now, there's no guarantee how effective it would be against the deepest, most reinforced Iranian sites. In short, the MOP is more than just a military asset. It's a political signal. Its existence tells Iran that there is a line, and if it's crossed, there is a weapon waiting. But at the same time, its usage would mean diplomacy has failed.